Okay, I got a challenge lock here from Potti314. It's a Dom 6-pin. Lock works real smooth. It is locked. Here's the bitty. Alright. I have been trying to pick this lock today. Every time I get started, I have to stop. And the reason being is out here where I live in the country by the lake, there is turkey everywhere in my yard. And of course, it's turkey season. And all day yesterday and so far all day today, turkey hunters have been knocking on my door. Which I got 3 turkey right now in the backyard, and that's what they see when they drive by. And I guess if you know turkey hunters, they see turkeys standing there, they're gonna stop. But I try to tell them, my backyard ain't real huge, and to be honest, it's kind of hard to let people you don't know carry guns on your property and be shooting towards your house and swimming pool, and especially when your grandkid plays outside and your kids. So I guess if I knew them, it'd be a little different. But I don't know any of them. It's weird too, because for the longest time we were overrun with deer. Never had anybody ask to hunt deer. But the coyotes have run the deer off, I guess. I ain't seen as many as I used to. Deer, that is. I gotta start try to get rid of these coyotes. They're everywhere now. But anyway, maybe I can get through this lock before somebody starts knocking on my door again. Guess we'll find out. I've got a little faucet going. Alright, who's holding me up? Alright, there it is. Woo. This is a pretty challenging lock. Oh, sorry. I'll be honest, I have picked it on camera, and it took, for the first time, which it took, I think I got it like 20 something minutes. But in all honesty, I probably had to answer the door 7 times, which if they knock now, they're just SOL. Pardon my French, but they're just shit out of luck, because this is a challenging lock. It was fun, but it is challenging. Alright, whoop. Here's the key pins. They all work, all 6 of them. And number 3, we'll have to look at that. It don't look counter milled, but there is quite a bit of. Here's 1, looks like a standard. 2 looks like a standard. There's why. 3 serrated, spooled, mushroom, something, I don't know what you really call it. Oh. 4 looks to be the same way, or 5, sorry. And I believe 6 is standard. I don't think there's any threading, didn't feel like it. Nope, no threading. Now, this is what I'm interested in seeing. Okay. Alright. I didn't see how that was. Potti? Maybe you can let me know. But there is a small nail and a pin with a hole in it. Was it a pin and pin maybe? No, it can't be that because the hole's not big enough. It don't look like. Alright, Potty, sorry I didn't see it pop out. It looked to me like it was this way. So if you can just let me know. Man, I'm not going to the door. I want to go run the turkeys off so people quit stopping in here and asking. Spool. Standard. Serrated. Spool. Another spool, I believe. Or no, it's one of the wafer deals. And the spring. Nothing's been done to the Bible. So,
hi, can I have the key?
So nothing's been done. Here is a close-up. Standard. Spool key pin, I guess. Spool key pin, standard. The wafers. Spool. Serrate or trampoline, I guess, standard. Spool. Potty, let me know if the nail become for the pin or the pin came before the nail. But I guess a drunken spool, maybe. Alright. This was a fun block. Challenging, if I say so. So, as always, everyone, be safe, be good, be legal. Thanks for the lock, Potty. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And as always, have a good one, guys. There we go. Alright. Thanks, guys.